All right, everybody, welcome back. We are on level 5 of lesson 15, conditionals. It says this level follows a video that you may have watched with your class. If you missed the video, you can watch it in the help and tips tab of this level. So once again, you're going to click right here. You're going to watch the video. I highly recommend you do that before you give this a try. So go ahead and pause me, and then when you're finished watching it, come on back. All right, so changing fruit. Now that we know how to use if statements, you can do more than just check if the apple has reached a scale of 2. You turn it into a pear once it happens. So do this. Use a conditional if statement in the draw loop to check whether fruit.scale is greater than 2. If it is, change the fruit's animation to pear. So add a conditional to the draw loop, add an if statement inside the draw loop where indicated by the comments, add a code to the conditional statement that asks if the scale of the fruit greater than 2, add a blank is greater than blank block to the if statement, add a scale block to the left side of the greater than operator, type the number 2 in the right side of the greater than operator, make sure you update the name of the sprite in the scale block, add code inside the conditional to change the fruit to a pear, add a set animation block inside the if statement, set the animation to a pear. What should my final if statement look like? Da, da, da. It should look like that. All right, so let's see what we got. We got variable fruit gets sprite. Fruit.set animation is an apple. Fruit.scale gets 0.1. Function draw, so draw background, it draws to white. So the draw function is already there. Fruit.scale gets fruit.scale plus 0.01, so it's going to go in a loop, and the fruit will get slightly bigger. So add a conditional to the draw loop. All right. Okay, so we need to do an if statement. Add code to the conditional statement that asks if the scale of the fruits greater than 2. So it shows right here, if fruit.scale is greater than 2. All right. And then we go over here and we say fruit, and we're going to set the animation to pear. All right, so if we did everything we're supposed to do, then this should work. So we're going to run it and see. Fingers are crossed. There we go. It changed to a pear. Excellent. All right, so we've done what we need to do with this. And once again, it looks like a lot is happening here, but in reality, we only had to add 3 things: the if statement, the scale, and the change in the animation. So, okay, when you're done with that, we're gonna click finish. And now that we have built our skills, we're gonna head to level 6. All right, see you there.